Time for making dough. Water 3/4 cup. Sugar 2 tablespoons. Yeast 1 tablespoon. Now mix it finely. Cover and rest it for 10 minutes. Now we are taking all-purpose flour 2 cups. Salt 1/2 tablespoon. Now we mix it. Now add yeast mixture and mix it finely. Mix well until dough is formed. Now add olive oil 2 tablespoons. Rest it for 1 to 2 hours. Cooking oil 2 to 3 tablespoons. Chicken 300 grams. Now add garlic powder 1 tablespoon, salt 1 tablespoon, red chili powder 2 tablespoons. Oregano 1 tablespoon. Cook it 2 to 5 minutes. Add lemon juice 1 tablespoon. Add mushrooms 1/2 cup. Add sliced onion, green capsicum and red capsicum. Stir for 2 minutes. Time for making roti. Taking dough approx 200 grams. Make a 12 inches roti. Now add pizza sauce as you're required. Add cooked chicken and vegetables. Add cheddar cheese and black olives. Cooked it in oven at 200 degrees centigrade.